Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click the bell to be notified whenever I make a video. So guys, this is going to be a little vlog. I don't even know what kind of vlog it is. Yes, I know I've been gone for a month, but I'm here. I've been here. I will explain to you guys at a later time, you know, why I've been gone. But right now I'm gonna be heading out, and I just wanted to vlog. I started a vlog yesterday, but it didn't really come out too much, so we'll see how today goes. It's been a while I haven't vlogged, so it's like me remember off vlog. So let's see how today goes. So yes, I'm heading out now. I'm going to get a blood test done, and then I'll be back home. It's gonna take quite a few hours because I have to go hungry, then get the blood test done, eat in about 2 hours after, then I take the other one. So it's gonna take a while, but yeah. So I'm vlogging right now on my camera, and that's one of the explanations I wanted to give you guys. That's one, but the main one is that I haven't been motivated to vlog, motivated to YouTube that much anymore, but I'm gonna try and do my best. I'm just doing this for the fun of it right now because YouTube stressing with my 9 to 5 job, no, 24/7 job, so right now it's kind of hard. Anyways, right now I did try and vlog for you guys on my birthday, and leading up to my birthday it wasn't much because I was just not motivated to, but I'm trying to upload it right now. So yes, I haven't been vlogging on the phone because of this. If you guys look, focus, it's not focusing on the phone. Oh, there, right here, right here. So that's the reason. It kind of makes the video cloudy and all of that, and I don't like that. I like the clear kind of video, right? So I haven't been vlogging on it. I'm hoping I'm gonna get a screen protector soon so I can take off this one so I can vlog. Yeah. So right now I'm uploading this at 82. I might have to leave it, as in I might have to wait until I come back for it to finish because I need to get out of the house. It's 8:20. I wanted to reach earlier so I can get it done, so I can get to eat something. So I'm gonna be heading out now, and then I'll see you guys on the road. So I'll be using the back camera to vlog, so maybe you won't see the face until I get back and can use the camera again, because I don't want to carry the camera with me. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Alright, so I'm gonna head into the kitchen. Share the breakfast. So I'm gonna have to share the breakfast and then carry it because I have to stay up there and eat. I carry this lunch pan. Hopefully it fits everything. So yeah. Shanik. Alright guys, so she's not there, so I starved myself for nothing today. I don't know, hungry. Anyways, guys, I want to go for Kelly's. I get something for my sister and then go home to eat my breakfast. Okay? Yeah. Let's stick with these. I'll pick up something for me and mommy. We're going to take up these for me and mommy. Alright guys, there's some marshmallow put on right now. I'm gonna eat my breakfast because so daddy ended up come Kelly's and I gotta just wait for him since I don't know if we did. Yeah, I think I was telling you guys place not better open, so yeah, I gotta eat. Oh, hot. Alright, I'll make it take a Shakay hot. Anyways, I'm gonna eat. I'll talk to you a little later. Alright? Yeah. I got some boiled bananas. I got some salt fish. Yeah. Nice breakfast. Food time. Mukbang, guys. Setting up my phone, so I got up from like about 5:30 something. So I was doing some work. Alright guys, so it is currently about 6 p.m. right now. I'm about to watch a movie, as you can see. My inner tablet. Anyways, I'm gonna watch a movie on this. It's called Shanghai, something like that. I don't even remember. I'll see it here. Shang-Chi. I don't know what that is. I can't pronounce those words. Shang-Chi, Legend of the Rings. So I want to watch this. I am almost at the end of my Marvel movies and I'm happy about that. I have, after the Marvel movies, I say about 2 or so episode shows, Loki and the WandaVision and another one that I want to watch. That's a episode. I'm gonna watch that. But I want to watch all of the movies first. So I'm gonna watch this. I think I have about 4 or so movies after this one to watch. Yeah. I don't know what's happening with my site today. It's just not working. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys some other time. So it's nighttime. Don't mind the fun. It is now 8:32 and I didn't get to finish watching the movie because the internet was giving trouble. So tomorrow hopefully I can get to watch that. But guys, it was nice seeing you guys. It's been a while. I'll try and do the explanation video tomorrow and all when it's kind of bright and all. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi guys, so I think I told you guys I'm going to give you a explanation for being gone for pretty much a month. So one, it's the front camera. So the front camera on my phone is not working, so it's kind of hard to vlog, you know. The next and the main reason, it's because I haven't been motivated at all. I've just reached I was at a point that I wasn't motivated. I didn't feel interested in YouTube anymore. It's like I just couldn't bother anymore, and I was like, you know, next time I do a video, I'll start vlogging next time. Until that next time and next time continued for a month. I just did not have the vibe. I even didn't really watch YouTube that much either, because people I would normally watch YouTube and comment under the video, they were like wondering why. But it wasn't the fact that I was gone, as in, it was just, I don't know, it was just in that spot where I'm just gonna bother with YouTube. It's very stressing, it's very time consuming, and the stress and the time especially the time consuming, it takes time for you to vlog or to do a video and then to edit, and then you get nothing much out of it. So if you, even though you know you don't want to look at the numbers and all, at some point it's gonna get to you, because you're trying your endeavor best to get to a point and it doesn't seem like it's moving. It's gonna reach to you. So I was just at that point where I just gave up. But I told myself, I started this YouTube thing to just record my life so that I can have it for later on, to just look back and just to have fun with it, because I've always just loved watching people's YouTube just to see how life, you know, how other people live them life and stuff and stuff. It just interests me. So I'm gonna continue, you know, I'm gonna try not to be demotivated again, but I'm trying my best to not let numbers or whatever distract me. And I'm being honest here, I'm a human being. Yeah, I'm gonna try, but you know it might, but I'm gonna try my best to not let it get to me. So yes, that's my little explanation of why I've been gone for a month. And I hope, I really do hope I will not be gone for so long. I do know I'm not gonna be stressing myself to like upload, say, every Tuesday or every this, every that. Whenever I film a video, I'm gonna upload a video for you guys. Hopefully, I'm gonna try my best not to neglect vlogging, because whenever you neglect vlogging, that's when you don't have any videos. So I'm gonna do that, not neglect you guys. So yes, right now I have 2 other videos that well, one is finished but not yet edited. Another one is in the process of filming. So yeah. Yes guys, so we have those videos coming, so at least you have 3 videos right now, right? Yeah. All right guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.